Hello and welcome to my channel if you're new here. So I cover a little bit of everything here, whether it's music production, digital art, or traditional art. I kind of do a little bit of everything here. So for this, I actually made a gift for somebody, and I had a rough sketch on the canvas I did, looking at some reference photos of crows online. And from there, I kind of blocked out shapes, and I didn't really know the direction I wanted to go with this. Initially, it was really colorful, and I kind of wanted to dial it back and make it a little bit more desaturated. So I ended up kind of painting over a lot of the detail work I had did. I did lose some, but I'm okay with that. I wanted to focus on the crow and making that the focal point, and I kind of got lost with some of the tones. I wanted to pull and push some of the highlights and shadows to draw your eye to certain areas, and I kind of had an idea of like what I wanted to do with negative space. The end result, I wanted to hide a hidden skull in the image, which I kind of did, but not as prominently as I could have. And I'll show you in the very end here. But yeah, at this stage, it was really colorful and the lighting didn't really make sense. So I kind of painted over it and started from scratch. So yeah, as you can see, it's a lot darker here. I'm painting over a lot of that color. Brought out more of the details of the moon and making the contrasting areas a lot more obvious and kind of just freehanding it, honestly. So here I'm laying in finally with the golden gloss here. There's matte glosses, and this particular one is a nice glossy preservative that you could coat your painting with, which I kind of went a little overboard, but it's okay. And the final result looked pretty nice. So I'll show you in a second the hidden image I tried to have in this painting. So here's the hidden skull that's kind of skewed, and this is the crow.